We've come quite far with these advanced perspective videos now, but I'd be lying if I said it was easy. These take a long time to make, and ever since Boxman left it's been taking longer. We were supposed to be working on this together. You know, we had a good thing, we had it all planned out, but then, I don't know what happened, he just changed. It was like someone had flipped a switch and then all of a sudden he started to struggle with, well, everything. Even the most basic concepts would be too difficult for him, and now he's gone, and so I'm left to create these videos on my own. And although it is difficult, I need to continue pursuing our goal, which is, as Boxman would proudly say, to create the best perspective drawing series in the world. So you're all not going to believe this, but I've just had a message, and it's from Boxman. But it doesn't really say much. In fact, all it says is, forgotten everything, starting again. I don't really know what to do. Like, we've spent years learning perspective, you can't just forget all of that. If I knew where he was, I could try and get more answers out of him. I don't even know how to reply to that. Boxman, where have you... Perspective drawing for beginners. Look, I got your text. I don't get it. You've forgotten everything. And now you're trying to what? Learn it all again? Look, just come in and put the book down. I just can't understand how you've forgotten everything. And also, there was no need to run away like you did. I've had to create all of these videos myself. You know, I'm unsure whether to keep on covering all of the advanced methods. There seems to be a smaller audience for all of that, and most people on YouTube who are looking to learn are beginners. They don't know anything, just like you, I guess. Hang on, Boxman, I think I've just had an idea. So you know that I've been on YouTube for a while now, and over the years I've made many videos. Well, this here is an old perspective drawing series I made when I started. And these videos, these cover the basics, you know, it's made for someone like you who doesn't know anything. No offence. And look, I don't know what's happened to you or why you can't remember anything, but perhaps this presents an opportunity. Now, I'm not suggesting you watch all of those older videos. I'm thinking that we both start again. We have advanced perspective, and there's an audience for that, but it's complex and technical. It's not for everyone. But this will be for everyone, and it will be for you. I mean, I'm all up for going back and covering the basics again. With what we know now, or what I know, we could make it easy and simple, and that's it. That's what we could call it. Simple perspective. So, what do you say?
Master. The spell is weakening. His desire to learn is too strong. What do we do?
Very well, then. We must resort to Plan B.
But, Master, are you sure you want to do that? Do you not think it's a little, well, excessive?
I said Plan B.